Let me ask you a question. How many tools have you tried, hoping they'd finally make your operations seamless? And how many times have you been left underwhelmed? If you're nodding along, you're not alone. Here's the truth. AI isn't just a shiny new tool. It's infrastructure. It's the backbone that should support your entire operation. Yet, most businesses treat it like a gadget, something you can just plug in and expect miracles. When AI is used correctly, it transforms operations by reducing human dependency. But here's where most operators go wrong. They see automation as a convenience, not leverage. They think it's about saving time, when it's really about amplifying capability. Now let's dive into the real-world consequences of getting this wrong. Imagine you're running a sales team. You've heard AI can handle quick answers and technical queries faster than your bottom 30% of reps. So you implement it, expecting instant results, but what happens? Your team feels threatened, morale drops, and the system becomes a crutch, not a catalyst. Here's the pivot. AI should be removing mental load, not adding to it. It's about creating systems that work so seamlessly, they feel invisible. The hidden cost of bad systems? Decision fatigue, rework, and a constant feeling of being overwhelmed. Let's talk about a real example. A client of mine was replacing 20% of their support team with AI. Sounds efficient, right? But they hadn't considered the system's behavior. The AI was great at handling routine queries, but it lacked the nuance for complex issues. The result? Frustrated customers and an overwhelmed escalation team. This is where operators need to recalibrate. AI and automation should be implemented in sequence. Start with the low-hanging fruit, tasks that are repetitive and rule-based. Then layer in complexity. This isn't about removing humans. It's about redeploying them to where they add the most value. Pattern interrupt. Stop thinking about AI as a quick fix. It's not. It's a strategic asset that requires intentional integration. If you're still treating it like a tool, you're missing the point. So what continues to break if you ignore this for another year? Your team's morale, your customer satisfaction, and ultimately your bottom line. Systems are the silent drivers of success. When they work, operations feel effortless. When they don't, everything grinds to a halt. Let's wrap this up. The takeaway here is simple. AI is infrastructure, automation is leverage, and systems should reduce human dependency. If you're ready to recalibrate and truly leverage AI, start by rethinking your systems. Your next step? Evaluate where your systems break under pressure and address those gaps. Because when systems work, your business doesn't just operate, it thrives.